Imagine holding the future of filmmaking in the palm of your hand. No bulky rigs. No heavy backpacks. Just you, a tiny device, and cinematic quality that rivals $5,000 mirrorless setups. Today, the game has officially changed. DJI has just dropped the Osmo Pocket 4, and let me tell you, if you thought the Pocket 3 was a masterpiece, you aren't ready for what this beast can do. We are talking about 4K at 240 frames per second. We are talking about a massive 14-stop dynamic range that brings shadows to life like never before. But is it worth the upgrade, or is it just another shiny toy? Stay tuned, because in this video, we are breaking down every hidden feature, every secret setting, and why this might be the only camera you ever need to buy again. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's be real for a second. The world of content creation is moving faster than ever. If your video doesn't look professional, people scroll past. But who has the time to carry a gimbal, a lens, a monitor, and a mic? DJI saw the struggle and decided to end it. The Pocket 4 isn't just an incremental update, it's a complete overhaul of how we capture our lives. The first thing you notice when you flip that screen, which, by the way, is now a stunning 1000 nit OLED display, is the clarity. It's so bright you can see every detail even under the harsh California sun. But the real magic happens inside that 1-inch CMOS sensor. Why does a 1-inch sensor matter? If you're shooting in low light, maybe a late-night street vlog in New York City or a cozy campfire in the Rockies, most small cameras fall apart. You get grain, noise, and a muddy mess. Not here. The Pocket 4's new sensor handles low light like a dream. It pulls in light from places you didn't even know had light. And with the addition of 10-bit D-Log-M, the colors are deep, rich, and ready for a Hollywood-grade color grade. But let's talk about the headline feature. 4K at 240 frames per second. Do you realize how insane that is? We are talking about 8x slow motion in crisp 4K resolution. Whether it's a skateboard trick, a splashing wave, or just a cinematic walk through the city, the level of detail in that slow motion is breathtaking. It makes every mundane moment look like a high-budget movie trailer. And for the first time, we have 107 gigabytes of built-in storage. No more SD card full messages right when the perfect shot happens. You can shoot, transfer at 800 megabytes per second, and keep moving. Now, let's talk about the Pro version rumors and the dual camera system. Some of you might be wondering if you should wait for the Pro model. Here's the deal. The standard Pocket 4 is already pushing the limits, but if you need that 4x optical zoom, the Pro might be your soulmate. But for 99% of us vlogging on the go, the lossless 2x zoom on the standard model is more than enough. It's sharp, it's fast, and with a new 5D joystick and extra physical buttons, controlling your frame feels like second nature. The stabilization. It's DJI. You already know it's butter. But they've upgraded the active track to version 7.0. This thing sticks to you like glue. You can run, jump, or spin around, and that gimbal will keep your face perfectly centered. It's like having a professional cameraman following you 24/7, but one that doesn't complain or ask for a lunch break. And let's not forget the audio. The new Osmo Audio 4 channel system is a lifesaver. It actually